Maybe you've thought about share trading before, but didn't think you had the bank balance to actually start trading. Well, unlike the property market, you'll be happy to learn that you can join the share market for just a few $100s or even less. But shares are considered a high-risk asset. So before you jump on board and start playing, it's important to have a bit of a strategy in place. Here's a few ways to reduce your risk and actually get started in the share market. When you buy shares in a public company, you own a portion of that company and get to share its profits. But profits aren't guaranteed. And if the company has a lousy year or even a bad day, your shares might fall in value. One strategy to reduce your risk of loss is diversification, or buying more shares in a range of different companies. This doesn't mean buying shares in 5 different banks. If the entire banking sector experiences poor market conditions, it's likely that your shares in all 5 companies will fall in value. Instead, try investing in a few completely different sectors. For example, banking, healthcare, retail, tech, and consumer staples. So while your shares in one industry might be falling, your other shares might be rising, and your portfolio as a whole could come out on top. In other words, try not to go all in on one industry. An easy way to do this is to invest in a low-cost exchange-traded fund or a listed investment company. These trade on the market just like regular shares. However, they invest your money into a whole bunch of companies on your behalf. You can learn more about the advantages of these products on Finder. Another way to reduce your risk is to invest for the long term. Unlike the cash in your savings account, share prices can be highly volatile, meaning they regularly go up and down. The key is to ride out the peaks and falls of the market and over time, grow your wealth and make it to the top. Think you're ready to start playing in the share market? The first step is to open a share trading account with an online broker, which will enable you to buy and sell shares. All share trading platforms charge different brokerage fees and offer different benefits and features. Head to Finder to compare share trading platforms and for easy, step-by-step guides on how to buy shares online.